how to insert page border and Word document. So if you want to add border like this, you'll have to do is select the layout on the page menu. Here in layout, you can see here the page border. In page border, you can select the all border here. But if you can also select the bottom border, the top border, left or right border. So in this tutorial, I will teach you how to insert all border. So select this. And also you can change the weight. So for my example, I set into 6, and also you can change the style. So if you want to set into dash, dotted, all double. So for my example, I set into double, and also you can change the color. Okay, for my example, I changed the color into pink, and after that you can apply to whole document, only first page or all except first page. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully insert page border and Word document. So if you want to remove this, okay, you'll have to do is click this and remove page border.